Today, we are going to take a closer look at the accusative case and see how it is used with nouns in Turkish. Let's first remember the accusative case suffixes. They are ı, i, u, and ü, depending on the vowel harmony. Since these suffixes are vowels, depending on which word they're attached to, there might be a buffer letter in between. And this buffer letter is ye. You should also expect a consonant mutation since these suffixes are vowels. In a nutshell, the accusative case marks the direct object of a sentence as definite or specific. This case makes the nouns and pronouns the definite direct object of the sentence. So basically, the element of the sentence that is directly affected by the verb. There are definite and indefinite direct objects in Turkish sentences. Indefinite objects refer to something unspecific. For example, ben kitap okudum. Ben kitap okudum. I read a book. In this sentence, kitap is the indefinite direct object. It is not specific. We don't know which book it is. However, when we talk about a specific book and want to say, I read the book, then we must add the accusative case suffix to the direct object to make it definite, or in other words, specific. Ben kitabı okudum. Ben kitabı okudum. I read the book. A is the last vowel of the word kitap, and depending on the vowel harmony, it should receive the accusative case suffix ı. In addition, because of the consonant mutation, p at the end of kitap turns into b. When we say ben kitabı okudum, we are talking about a specific book. It corresponds to the book in English. So it's a definite direct object, and the listener knows exactly which book the speaker is talking about. Now, let's see some examples. Arabayı satın aldın mı? Arabayı satın aldın mı? Did you buy the car? Araba receives the accusative case suffix ı together with the buffer letter ye. And the person who is asking the question already knows which car it is. They have probably talked about this car already. And because of that, the speaker is asking, Arabayı satın aldın mı? Did you buy the car? If the question was, Araba satın aldın mı? Araba satın aldın mı? In this case, the question wouldn't be about a specific car. It is about any car. Did you buy a car? Another example. Biz evi satıyoruz. Biz evi satıyoruz. We are selling the house. The house is specific. The listener knows which house it is. Another example. Filmi bu akşam seyredelim. Filmi bu akşam seyredelim. Let's watch the movie tonight. Again, film receives the accusative case suffix because the speaker is talking about a specific movie. The speaker and the listener know exactly which movie it is. They have already decided which movie they want to watch. If we form the sentence like this, bu akşam film seyredelim. Bu akşam film seyredelim. Let's watch a movie tonight. The direct object film has no accusative case suffix. This means the movie is not specific. The movie has not been chosen yet. It is a movie. It has not become the movie yet. Now, I would like to point out something else. When I form the sentence with an indefinite direct object, I change the place of the word and said it right before the verb. Bu akşam film seyredelim. Bu akşam film seyredelim. The indefinite direct object, which does not take the accusative case suffix, always comes immediately before the verb, wherever the verb appears in the sentence. It is not possible to add another word in between the indefinite direct object and the verb, except for a few postpositions. Therefore, it is not possible to say film bu akşam seyredelim. Film bu akşam seyredelim. This is incorrect and sounds very unnatural to a native speaker. What you can say is bu akşam filmde seyredelim. Bu akşam filmde seyredelim. Which means tonight let's watch a movie as well. Let's finish the video with this example. Videoyu izlediğiniz için çok teşekkürler. Videoyu izlediğiniz için çok teşekkürler. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Video has received the accusative case suffix because we are talking about a specific video, the one you have just been watching. Thank you again for your time. See you in the next videos. Görüşmek üzere.